Hi boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to practice adding and subtracting money. So I'd like to go to the first page of this practice, which is page 235, and it looks like this. Now I want to show you two different ways to add money. First one, look at the example. There are 4 dimes, that's 40 cents. And there are 2 quarters, 25, 50, 50 cents. Now I want to add those two together. Now what I've told you before is if you start with the coins that are worth the most, it's a little bit easier to add. So we'll start with the 50 cents, the 2 quarters, plus the 4 dimes. So you'll say 50 in your mind, and then you'll count by tens. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90 cents. So 40 cents plus 50 cents is 90 cents. Now I'm going to show you another way to do that. I'm going to use my whiteboard. So I have set up my equation or my math sentence going up and down rather than straight across. So it says on the board 40 cents plus 50 cents, and then of course this is the equal line, equals how many cents? All right, so first thing I like to do is bring the cents sign down here so I don't forget it. Now I always start in the ones column, the ones column of the numbers. Start over as far as you can to the right. So let's add this. 0 plus 0. And of course you all know that's 0. Now take 4 plus 5. Add 4 plus 5. And you'll get 9. That's right. And there is 90 cents. So there's two different ways that you can add money together. Now we'll do a little more practicing and then I will assign the pages for you. If you look at number 1, of course the answer isn't there. That always makes it a little harder, doesn't it? We do have the coins in the right order this time, from the coin that's worth the most to the coin that's worth the least. So we have 25 and a 10 and a 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. So that's a quarter, a dime, a nickel, a penny, 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 and penny. So we're going to add that up just by skip counting. So start with 25. This is a little more difficult because all we change is the tens. 25, 35. Then 5 more is 40. Then we go by ones, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 25 plus 19 equals 44. Now I'd like to show you that using my whiteboard. Parents, this is the first time that I have ever shown your children how to do it this way. So they do not know how to regroup, and that's okay. We can work with that for those that understand it, and those that don't, that's okay. So we have 25 cents plus 19 cents equals, let's bring our cents sign down. Now what we need to do is we need to start in the ones column, and we need to do 5 plus 9. So I want you to figure that out, 5 plus 9. Now that answer is 14, but we can't write 14 down here because we still have some tens that we need to add with it. 5 plus 9 is 14. So in the ones column, you write the 4 from 14. Then you regroup by taking the tens and adding it on the tens column. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 tens. 4 tens and 4 ones is 44 cents. So that's two different ways that you can do the adding the coins together. The next example that I want to show you is adding some coins and some numbers together rather than all coins. So the example on page 236 is right here kind of in the middle of the page, and it says add 20 cents plus a quarter and a quarter. Let's see, a quarter and a quarter is 25, 50, 50 cents. So we are going to add 20 cents and 50 cents. And we get 70 cents. This is 50 and 20 more is 70. Now I want to show you on my whiteboard how you would do that up and down. So first we had the 20 cents plus the 2 quarters, which were 50 cents, that's how much they were worth, equals how many cents? Okay, now we're going to add this again. 0 plus 0, say the answer if you know it. Then we go to the tens column, 2 plus 5. Okay, figure out 2 plus 5, just 2 plus 5. Say the answer. 7, that's right. And this says 70 cents. So 20 plus 50 equals 70 cents. Don't forget your cent sign because we want to know that we are counting money and not jelly beans. All right. Your assignment then, it will be on my Google site, but it's going to be the math pages all the way to 237, but that will be on the site, so you don't have to remember it right here. Well, good luck with all that math. There's a lot of new things to learn. Don't worry about it if you don't get it the first time. Practice and we'll do more later.